हाँ, तो ये देखिए, ये ऑक्टल टू बाइनरी एनकोडर है। ऑक्टल टू बाइनरी ऑक्टल टू बाइनरी एनकोडर। ऑक्टल टू binary encoder. Actually, there are two types of encoder. One is decimal to binary encoder. I have done in the previous session. In this session, I will do octal to binary encoder. Okay. You just see here. Definition. Octal to binary encoder is constructed constructed with eight inputs inputs 0 to 7. Clear? 0 to 7. All gates and three inputs, three outputs, three outputs. Clear? Octal to binary encoder is constructed with 8 input 0 to 7 OR gates and 3 outputs. Clear? 3 outputs. In this only one time in this there at one time at any one time one time, there at any one time only one input there at any one time only one input has a value of 1. There at any one time only one input has a value of 1. There at any one time only one input has a value of 1. Clear? So the final definition of octal to binary encoder is, you just see, octal to binary encoder is constructed with 8 input lines 0 to 7 OR gates and 3 outputs. There are at any one time only one input has a value of 1. So this becomes the only एक टाइम में, एक समय में सिर्फ एक इनपुट जो है, एक इनपुट का वैल्यू जो है 1 होगा. This is called octal to binary encoder. Now I am rubbing this board, erasing this board. In the next board I am going to explain you the actually truth table and logic circuit diagram. You just see here. You just see. In the next board, you just see. You know, actually, I have already explained to you in the previous session that encoder is the reverse of actually decoder. Okay? Is that clear? Encoder is the reverse of decoder. Okay? And you just see the truth table of octal to binary encoder. Fine. Actually, in the same board, I will try my level best to explain you the truth table and logic circuit diagram both. Okay? Because without truth table, you cannot construct the logic circuit diagram. Okay? So it is required to side by side to draw the truth table and logic circuit diagram. Okay? That will help you to make you understand in the better way. Okay? You just see here the truth table of octal to binary encoder. You just see. First of all, I will the value will be generated from I0 to I7 and output will be Y0 to Y3. Clear? So you just see here I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. Clear? As I told you, you just see here, and this will be Y0, Y1 and Y2. Clear? You just see here. sorry, this is y1. Okay. This is y1. This is y1. Okay. Okay. So you know from here to here, from I0 to I7, it is inputs. I0 to I7, it is input. And from here to here, it is outputs. I have mentioned here clearly, you will just see. Okay. And you know, in this way, first of all, you will write this way. This is high, 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 this is high. Sorry, you know, up to this it will high. Okay. And you know, this will be here, and rest all elements are here 0. Rest all elements are here 0. You will just write 0 here. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. And this will be here. This will be a 000, 001, 010, 10, 011, and this is 100, and this is here 101. Fine. This is 101. This is 100, 101, and 101, and this is 110, and this is 111. Okay. This is 000, this is 1, this is 10, this is 11, this is 100, this is 101, this is 110, and this is 111. Okay. So this way this becomes here. This becomes here truth table. Clear. Okay. So this becomes here truth table. Okay. Fine. This is the truth table, and I have done so far. You will see here, because here, as I told you, there is only one value which is high here. There is only one input. There is only one input value which have high value, and rest all are the low. Okay, so that is why I mentioned here. At one time, one will be high. Only one input value will be high, and rest all inputs becomes a low. So in this sequence, it has been drawn, and actually, I think one statement I have skipped. One statement I have skipped. one statement I have skipped. There is only one value. You just see. This actually this thing I am showing you here, writing here, just beside this, that will make you convinced properly. That is why I am writing here. You just see there is only one value. There is only one value. There is only one input. Sorry. There is only one input. There is only one input. There is only one input. Which there is only one input. There is only one input. Which has a value of 1. Okay, value of 1. There is only one input which has a value of 1. Just see here, and rest all elements are low, so that is why I mentioned here 0. Okay, so this becomes here, and you know this is 000, this is 001, 01, 0, 0, 11, and 000, and this is 1, this is 10, this is 11, this is 100, this is 101, and this is 110, and this is 111. In this way you will do actually from I0 to I7, this is the input, and from Y0 to Y2, these are the output. You just see. And now you just see the actually here the here you will see here the logic circuit diagram. You just see here logic circuit diagram. You just see. Before drawing the logic circuit diagram, you will have to do some work out here, and you just see here. I have to see where you, at in the output where it is high. So it is, first of all I will check high at 1, 0. So this you will write here y0 is equal to you just see here I1 y0 is equal to here I1 plus y0, this is y0 I1, and this is, and here I will check here is I3, then I will check here and this is I5, and this is I5 plus, and then I have to check here so I1, I3, I5, I7 up to it will be. Okay, clear? This is this becomes here up to this I7 up to I have checked. Now you just see here Y1 only 3 output I will have to check. Y1 is, you just see here 1. So in 1 I am getting here I2 and this you just see at this point this is high. So I6 no I1 at this point is also high. It was skipped from my mind. You just see here Y1 is here, then Y3 I am writing here, fine, and this is here I6 fine, this is I6 here, and this will also I7 here, I7 is also there. I6 I have written, and I7 is also there. You just see here. And finally, I this one I will have to check Y0, Y1, Y2. So you just see here. You just see in this. If you will arrange this in this sequence, you will get 4 zeros, 4 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1. You will check it 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. This is also the way to check whether you have written the element in the output is correctly or not. Okay. This is the way to check yourself. Okay. This is the way to check yourself. Clear? Now you see Y1 I have done, Y0, Y1, then Y2 you have to see here. What will be here? Y2 will be here. Y2 will be here. You just see here. Y2. This one will be, this is I4. This is I4. Fine. This is I4. This is I5 plus I5. And this is I5. And this is I6. This is I6. This is I6. And this is I7. Okay. This is I7. This is I7. Fine. Okay. So this is, you just see here. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. And this finally I am getting a 7. Okay. So now it is required to draw the actually logic circuit diagram. You just see logic circuit diagram. Logic circuit diagram. Little space is left here, but I will manage to complete. But I will manage to complete it in this little space. You just see here. This is plus V. Okay. And from here I will manage to write here. Fine. I0, I1, I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4, this is I5, this is I6, and this is I7. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and this is I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I5, this is I6, okay, and this is I7. Oh, sorry, I6. After I6, I am getting here I7. Clear? You just see here. I will draw the 3 OR gate here first. First OR gate is here. You just see, because the space is very little, so I am just the size of the OR gate is very small, so it is not required to worry here. You just see here 1 3 1 3 5 7. This is 1 this is 1, this is 1, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 1, 1, this is 1, then 3, and then 5, and then 7. Clear? This is 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 5, and this is 7. Okay? And this becomes your y0. Clear? And you just see next OR gate. I am making just beside this. And just beside this 2, 3, 6, 7. You just see here I0, I1, I2. Okay, 2, this is 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, and this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, this becomes here 2, 2, 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So it becomes, I think, little bit wrong. 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, this will be 2 here. This line is here 2. Okay. And 2, 3, 6, 7. And this is 3 here. This is 3 here. This is 3. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1. No, right. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. And this will be here 3. Right. This is one line. Actually, y0. This is 0. This is 1. 1 will be this. Sorry, fine. 1 will be this line. This is 0 line. This is 1 line. This is 1 line. So this is the 1 line. Fine. This is the 1 line. This is the 1 line. And then 2, 3. 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. And this is the 3. 3. This is the 3. This is the 3. And this is the 5. And 4, 5. 0 line. This is 0 line. Sorry. You just see here. I think this is your 0 line. This is your 1 line. 1 line. And this is 3. This is 3 line. And this is actually after 5. This is 6 line. 6 line. And this is your 7 line. Finally, okay. Okay. And this is here. No, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. This is 1. This is 1. This is 3. 1. This is 0, 1, 1. This is 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And this is 6, 7, 7. And second line is you 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is 2 lines. Second line is here. Second, you have to take precaution while you will do this. Okay, this is 2. This is 2 line. And this is 3 line. 0, 1, 2. 2 line. 0, 1, 2. This is 2 line. And this is 3 line. 0, 1, 2, 3 line. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 6 line. This is 6 line. And this is finally 7 line. Okay. So in this way you will draw. You will take precautions while you go to draw these lines. Okay. Otherwise you will get the 0. You just see here. Final value here. Okay. Your final value is here 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 0 1 2 3 4 4 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 4 5 and this is 6 and this is 7. Okay, so that's all of this. So if you want to write, if you want to make it clear, then you can do in this way also. This is I1, this is I1, this is I3, this is I3, this is I5, okay, and this is I7, okay, and you just see this is here I2, this is here I3, and this is here no, not at all. Oh, okay, this is this was the third line. I2, this is I2, this is I2, this is I3, this is I6, this is I6, sorry, this is I6, and this is I6, and this is I7. Clear? And this is I4, this is I4, this is I4, and this is I5, and this is I6, and this is I7. And actually this is I5, and this is I6, and this is I7. Sorry, this is I7. So in this way we can make it clear. Okay, fine. So this happens, and you just see a little bit here. You just see this is okay. One block diagram is left, so I am going to explain you the block diagram also. That will be this is y0, this is y1, and this is y2. Clear? Y0, y1, y2. Clear? In this actually you block diagram you just see here. I am explaining here in this space. We can do the block diagram here also. Okay, you just see block diagram. Block diagram. Block diagram you just see. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is I7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is Y0, Y1, and Y2. This is after 2 binary Clear? This is actually I0, from I0 to I80 to I7. Okay, 0 to 7. It will generate the. Clear? Here these are the input. That means 3 inputs is here. I am rubbing this part. Okay, not required. 0 to 7, that means here 3 inputs are required. 3 inputs required. So no, 0 to 7, 8 inputs. Sorry. 8 inputs are required. And you just see here 3 inputs, 3 outputs. 3 outputs. 3 outputs. Okay. And only one time there is one value which have 1. There is only one value which has a high value, that is 1. Okay. And rest all will low or 0. Okay. So this is the octal to binary encoder. So I have done. Now the session is over. Okay.